What's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token update. But my friends, you know what? First of all, I want to congratulate all Bittorrent token holders. Very congrats to all BTT token holders because now in the last 60 minutes, the BTT take a pump. And absolutely, I'm very happy because after a great falls, after a huge falls, the price will pump. So that is why I'm very happy, my friends. Congratulations. And before starting this video, my friends, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update. So if you look the latest price of Bittorrent token, so 0.002863 USD dollar is the latest price of the Bittorrent token. Other side, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day 1 week pricing is still negative. So you know what, why I'm feeling very happy? Because after a great falls in a previous the whole month, the whole week, the price of Bittorrent token fast down. So now in the last 60 minutes the price pump. So that is why I'm feeling very happy. Let me show you the price chart of the Bittorrent token after last 60 minutes. Oh my goodness, now in the last 5 minutes the price is again fast down. You know what is, I told you, my friends, in the start of this video that in the last 60 minutes the price of Bittorrent token is very highly and very fastly moving upward. But unfortunately and the last 5 minutes the price of BTT token is again fast down, my friends. But I hope that this is a temporary fast. I hope that after a few minutes the price will again pump. You can see, my friends, if you do this type of chart, take a jump, falls down for a little time, again take a jump, and now again falls down for a little time, again take a jump. So my prediction is going positive about Bittorrent token. Anyways, how do you feel about BTT token? Please tell me in the comment box. So now at this time the price, everything is going positive. So congratulations, and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.